Welcome to the class. As advised in our previous lesson, I suggest covering the frame of our flower mandala with the buckles. Keep the bobbin of the thread under the frame. Then place the lock. And then set the buckle on the needle and bind it, verifying the right distance. Then secure with a short stitch and set another buckle on the needle of the hook and bind it, choosing the right distance. This easy exercise will help you in better understanding of various diameters of the accessories and its intervals. Thus I complete the ellipse. And then, without cutting the thread, I start with the winding stitches. In future we will call this method of embroidery as serpentine. Randomly place your stitches just in your hand. However, it is very important to also understand the borders. Thus, I will slightly touch the borders, but not cross. Touch the border of the ellipse and the flower. Sometimes you may face the situation when your thread has been broken or finished. Thus it's very easy to fix by simply linking the edges of the old cut thread and the new bobbin in order to avoid extra locks. Link the edges and then I continue beading. Later I will just secure the edges. Complete the mandala. Photograph your work from both sides of the frame and send it to me along with the questions or comments if you have.